Look at that. We have here Two of Pentacles energy. You might have two options from here, but I'm also getting another message. Maybe parang mapupunta ka sa isang crossroad in making a decision right here and it's something serious. It could be complicated as well, but let's see more. Let us see what is the situation here for you guys, but just take only what resonates. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and check out other informations. Oh, okay. Hmm. Right at the heart of this reading is the Two of Coins. Let me see that next. Let me see more. Okay. Hmm. Nice. Sun card right at the bottom of the deck. So before we start now, let me just greet everybody first. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome to Loy. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, let me do shout out lang, no? So, hi kay my loves, Dina Bermilio. Yan. So, from Saudi Arabia, thank you so much for always tuning in and ingat dyan, no, sa ibang bansa. And also, always take care and maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Love and light sa'yo at sa mga gusto mong gawin sa life. Yeah, thank you so much, babes, again, for always making tambay here. So, yeah, I really do appreciate it a lot. At sa inyong lahat, mga babes, no, maraming thank you sa inyong walang sawang support. Sa inyo, mga babes, na wala tayo ditong gender. Alam niyo naman yan. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. And of course, at the end of the day, palagi kayong may free will na. Free nyo rin pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Wala rin po tayo ditong time period. Kaya naman pwedeng ito ay tapos or nangyari na. Pwede naman sa iba nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwede naman na sa iba ay hindi pa at maaaring mangyayari pa lang sa hinaharap. So, nakita ko rito mga babes, kung sino naman tong energy na ito, no? This is the type of energy here na mukhang personal reading ito. Pero, sasabihin pa din natin. So, we've got here the Emperor, Nine of Pentacles energy, and the Knight of Cups, Eight of Wands. So, nakita ko rito, no, na meron kayo ritong kinakausap at mukhang malapit nyo na siyang sagutin kung nanliligaw siya sa inyo. Posibleng na-meet nyo siya online, tuloy-tuloy yung pakikipag-usap nyo sa kanya at posibleng nagkakaroon na rito ng mutual feelings and emotions. So, this person here could be courting you. Pwedeng nagliligawan na kayong dalawa. Wala tayong gender dito. LGBTQs, of course, you're welcome rin, mga honey. So, nakita ko rito may kausap kayo, no? And I do see that you are now getting to that point na malapit mo nang sagutin yan. Malapit mo nang sabihin yung iyong matamis na oo. Or malapit na maging kayo. Yan, no? Masaya ka kasi kapag kausap mo siya, no? At mas nai-inspire ka magtrabaho, no? Kung kasamahan mo yan sa trabaho or nakilala mo siya online, iba kasi online, nakilala ninyo, nakita ko rito na consistent yung tao, no, na nakikipag-usap sa'yo. nare-replyan ka niya, nagre-respond siya, malate man siya pero nagre-reply pa rin siya, 'no. So, nakita ko rito yung nag-e-effort siya rito, 'yan 'no, para ma-replyan ka or mahatid sundo ka 'no, may gano'n 'no. Nasa ligawan stage na kayo nitong person na 'to 'no. So, lumalabas yung person na yun na posibleng mas bata sa inyo or kaedad ninyo, 'yan 'no. Pero hindi lang yun yung nakikita ko, may isa ritong nakatingin sa'yo. And this person here is behind you, the Emperor. This person could be older than you or mas marami siyang experience sa life, no? Pwedeng, yeah, pwedeng matanda rin siya sa'yo sa age, no? Or pwedeng sabihin natin, no, na mas mature siya. But this person here, look at that, sitting sa kanyang throne right here, no? At naka-D4 pa. So, this person here is someone na parang sometimes siguro naisip niya na parang love is not for him or her or parang matanda na siya for love or parang siya naman 'to na parang, um, hindi ko alam kung priority ko ba ang love ngayon kasi ang Emperor is someone here na busy sa kanyang kaperahan. So, yung iba puwedeng boss niyo 'yan. Okay, na nakakapansin sa inyo, 'no? Actually nagkakaroon siya rito ng feelings and emotions sa inyo, 'no? So itong boss ninyo is nakita ko dito kung boss niyo 'yan, 'no, or katrabaho ninyo or may posisyon diyan sa pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo. This person here is nakuha mo yung kanyang atensyon. However, this person here is not doing anything, lalo na kung alam niya na meron ka ritong ibang taong ini-entertain. So, ibig sabihin, tatsulo kayo dito, pero ikaw hindi mo alam na may gusto sa'yo itong Emperor dahil dito ka nagpo-focus sa kausap or ka-connect mo ngayon. Hala, paano yan, miss yan? Tatlo kami dyan. Mali ko sa inyo. Sinali-sali niyo na naman ako dito. Basta ang alam ko, nakita ko dito mga bibs, no, na with the 8 of Wands energy, Knight of Cups right here, nakita ko rito na tuloy-tuloy ang inyong pakikipag-usap dito, no, sa person na to. This person here is someone na romantic, no, at nakita ko rito na medyo may energy siya rito na binubuhusan kanya ng attention, but let's get straight to the point, no? Kung sino tong kausap ninyo ngayon, this could be a new connection, bago mo lang nakilala, no? Pero nagugustuhan mo na siya. Kasi nakita kitang nagsisettle yung energy mo na parang, uy, nagiging kontento ko sa kanya, uy, nagiging satisfied ako sa kanya, uy, I think ito na yung the one. Yan, no? May ganun ka na, no? Tingin ko sasagutin ko na to. May mga ganyan ka na, no, sa'yo. Pero nakikita ko rito, let me warn you, your angels and guides, no, are telling me to tell this to you, no, habang early pa or habang maaga pa. Bakit ano ba yan, Miss Yan? The Knight of Cups energy is not the Knight of Wands. However, the Knight of Cups energy has this energy na what? Yeah, this person loves getting attention from you. Pero, kagaya ng commercial ng Lactum Baby, possible din pong makuha ng iba ang atensyon niya. Okay? Take note, the Knight of Cups energy is not a player, huh? But, I'm pertaining with this next cards beside this Knight of Cups. Four of Coins energy and the Devil energy. What does that mean? Okay? Posible po na meron pa siyang tinatagong natitirang feelings sa kanyang huling nakarelasyon or ex niya, sa kanyang huling minahal. Meron pa siya ritong attachment na tingin ko never niyang sasabihin sa'yo. Pero nakita ko rito na once na magkaroon ng chance na makipag-usap sa kanya kasi nakita ko yung possibility na yon, no? Once na makapag-usap sa kanya ang kanyang ex, nakikita kong mas malambot ang puso niya at mas pipiliin niya yon. However, that is not applicable to everybody sa inyo. Pero nakita ko yung high chance or high possibility because the frequency is really standing out right here, like going up, okay? Meaning to say that this person here, pwede kayong iwan anytime pag bumalik yung ex niya. Dahil may strong, unhealthy attachment siya doon, no? So this person here, pwede mong maisip, is it rebound, Miss Yan? Possibly. Okay? Pero hindi ko rin talaga ganun masabi because there are other energies na kumukonek sa inyo na hindi naman kayo nakikita as rebound. It's just that mas matimbang pa din yung ex niya compared sa feelings niya sa'yo. Understand? So yeah, with this two of coins energy, yan no, nakita kita dito na maaring magdalawang isip ka, no? Pagdating ng panahon na yan. Yan. So, nakita ko dito that ikaw yung klase ng energy na ayaw mo ma-involve sa mga may unhealthy attachments or may mga toxic past, no? So, nakita ko rito na angels are saying, kalakip ng Two of Coins energy, you need to think more before saying yes in diving into this type of romantic connection with this person. Kilalanin mo muna itong mabuti. Yan, no? Yan. Kasi nakita ko dito na ayaw mong ma-involve sa isang person na meron pa palang strong feelings, no? Yeah, in-emphasize ko talaga yung strong feelings para sa kanyang ex dito, no? Kasi ayoko rito, iiwanan kayo nito at iiwanan kayong luhaan, no? So, nakita ko rito, no, na someone here is pwedeng pinakikita sa atin dahil may dahilan, diba? Lahat ng bagay nangyayari dahil may dahilan, diba? So, nakita ko dito that this person here could be watching you because you're interested here with somebody else. Okay? At ayaw niya naman na sirain rito ang iyo ritong mood. No? At lalong ayaw niya rin mga babes umiksena, lalo't nakikita kanyang happy, entertaining somebody else. However, this emperor right here has the strong feelings din sa'yo but not doing anything because nakikita ka niyang happy connecting with someone else, diba? So, nakita ko dito that with the Ten of Wands energy and there's this Eight of Pentacles, no? Yeah, you will definitely find out everything because you are someone here, tuk pa. Smart ka eh, no? Smart ka, mga babes, no? Nakita ko dito that you'll soon find out that this person you're connecting with is still in love with his or her ex. And that will make you come up with a decision to, okay, parang temporary pause na hindi mo na kayo mag-uusap because you're gonna think, giving time and space for each other. And nakita ko dito that you will make a big decision right here to just disconnect, no, from this Knight of Cups energy. And you will focus here in your own life once again, in your work, no, with the Eight of Coins energy, no. And then from there, the Emperor will now make a move. Tingnan mo tong hawak niya. Isn't it a piece sa isang chess, 'di ba? Sa larong chess, no? Yan yung isa sa mga parang mga pantira doon, no? So nakita ko dito mga babes so that the emperor right here will now make a move. Ten of Wands energy, okay? This person here will not hold back anymore and will go down that path. Tatayo na siya dan, no? At gagawa na ng action dito. Oras na para siya naman yung magpakita sa inyo rito ng kanyang love and affection. So see how respectful itong emperor na to. Hindi siya dito umentrada dahil alam niyang may gusto kang iba. Dahil alam niya nagkakamabutihan kayo, hindi siya rito sisingit, no? At maninira rito. So, nakita ko rito na yung energy niya is someone here who really acts mature. Okay? Just like, paano rin siya dinescribe dito sa atin ng mga angels and guides, no? Napaka-mature niya rito mag-handle ng connection. And with this Five of Pentacles energy, Seven of Wands in reverse, the Sun, what does that mean, Miss Yan? That only means that at first you will definitely padlock here the door of your heart pero nakita ko unti-unti mo yung pagbubuksan. Yes, no? Itong emperor na to. So, nakita ko rito that you will find happiness kasi nilet go mo yung yung Knight of Cups energy and nahanap mo yung happiness deep within you, and then you will start entertaining this Emperor right here, and you will surely see the difference, no? Nang ikaw lang yung minamahal kaysa yung hati, yung pagmamahal. Diba? So yeah, I hope, no, na even though this is quite personal here, no, see, everything happens for a reason. Yan, no. So, ibig sabihin may kakonek kayo, no, pero hindi pa pala siya yung for you. Meron pa pala rito mga babes, no, nakamasid sa'yo, no, at siya yung nakikita ko rito tunay na makapagbibigay sa'yo ng love at hindi ka bibigyan ng kalahati lang ng pagmamahal, no, at okay, hindi ka or wala kang kahati na iba sa puso niya. So yeah, these are all the messages you got right here for you, sweetheart. I hope this helps you clear your mind. And thank you so much for your time here, babe. I really do appreciate it a lot. Muli ako po siyan. Sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.